Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a walkthrough on a brand new 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This brand new boat that we have in here is going to be very well equipped. It's going to be set up all the way through with pretty much every option that you can think of. Starting on the bow here, we're going to have our stainless steel windlass anchor on the front all set up for you. This does have LED lights, docking lights in the front. Our color scheme through here, we're going to have a white topside, our blue hull side color with white gel stripe matching our white bottom. So it's a really nice clean look to it. As we come around the back side of the boat here, we'll take a look. We've got underwater lights. This boat is also going to be set up with a dynamic running surface, so you're going to have the automatically adjusting trim tabs for you. We've got our twin Bravo 3 out drives on here with stainless steel props, and we also have our hydraulic swim platform across the back here, which is great for entertaining and being able to hang out in the back of the boat. Drop this down, automatically runs the drives down for you, and be able to hang out in the water, sit on the back on the platform, or to sit on the deck with your feet on the platform. On the rear deck on this one also has the updated sea deck on here as well, so you're going to have the sea deck on the walkway through the rear. This boat also has the upgraded premium sound system on it, so we do have the Fusion speakers on the back of the boat as well back here. Let's hop up on this one. We'll take a quick walk through the inside of this and look at all the features that we have there. All right, so now as we are on the back of the boat here, we are going to have this boat all equipped up with the interior LED lighting package. So as we look down to our port side, we're going to have our stereo controls in the rear. So we've got that nice party access feature in the back. We also have 12-volt power back here. Individual backrests for the rear lounger, so you can lift those up or have them all the way down. Gives you a couple different options for your seating assignments. As we come through our walkway here, we're also going to have some more in-floor storage and cooler. We've got our built-in battery switches tucked right in here, and our swim platform right here. So that gives you all of your access to what you need on the rear of the boat, all right as you access right through the nice side walk through. Also going to have water on here as well, so that's going to give you a nice freshwater walk down. If you've got sandy feet getting on the boat, really nice to be able to wash them off in the back before you're hauling it all through the interior of the boat. Now as we step in, we're also going to have the side entry step. Courtesy lighting throughout, so we have the lower floor lighting as well as the seat-based lighting and lighting underneath the hardtop. And we do have the access on here as well, so we do have the soft opening center access, so you get that great sunlight still coming through for you and your family when you're entertaining your guests. And for days where it's extra hot and sunny when you're sitting out, we also have the rear shade that you can extend out over the sun pad and swim platform, just to give you that extra surface area of shade on those really hot days where you don't need as much sun hitting you. The interior flooring on here, so we have stone interior, and then we have the newer sea deck flooring throughout this. So instead of being the snap-in sea deck that they've had for the last few years, this is going to be the newer upgraded flooring. So it's going to be a glue down throughout, so it's a matching sea deck that goes throughout the entire boat all the way around the swim platform. Teak overlaid, nice big comfortable table, plenty of space for entertaining with this. We have fresh water on here as well, so you're going to have a sink set up on here. This is going to be set up for that entertaining as well, so when you look underneath, we're also going to have the 18-volt refrigerator, as well as we're still going to have that great handy cooler with access right from underneath the seat. So that way you've got enough space, keep things cold, and have drinks and things for everyone out on the boat. We've got the premium audio system on here, so we're going to have the subwoofer tucked down right behind the seat here. Coming over to our head, this has the upgraded head to it as well, so nice, open, easy to access, plenty of space for you and your guests to be able to easily get in and out of the head area. Over on the driver's side here, this is going to have the dual 12-inch response Simrad dash to it, so it's going to be great touchscreens You have access to everything on there. You're gonna have your lake maps with GPS, all of your lighting controls for the entire boat, access to all of your engine diagnostics, all through the Simrad dash setup. Really nice, very intuitive. So looking over to the other side of our helm here, we're going to have our dual engine control with joystick as well. So this is going to be your Mercury 4.5 liter engines with the helm control. The joystick on here is fantastic. Side shifting this boat, walking it forward and backwards, or just trying to turn it on a dime, trying to get in and out of restaurants or small parking slips, makes life a lot easier with that joystick control. Coming up in the bow of the boat, we have a massive amount of seating, lounging area. So it's just a great spot to hang out. We've got armrests on both sides here. As we look through the front, plenty of area for putting your drinks down the cup holders that are tucked into the sides. And then we've got up to the front our windlass anchor and our walk-through area. So all in all, this is a fantastic boat, really well designed. Sea Ray blue exterior, the stone gray interior. This is a great boat. Give us a call at the Rogers MarineMax and set up an appointment to come view this boat. Thank you.